Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to talk to a live agent on the Expedia mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the Expedia app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. At the bottom right corner, tap the profile icon to open your account menu. Scroll down and tap Help or Customer Support. Tap on that. This will open the support page where you can find answer or contact option. You can type your question in the search bar to find articles, but you want to talk to a live agent, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Look for a button that says contact us, chat with us or talk to an agent. Tap it to start chatting or calling a live Expedia agent. You might see option for a live chat or phone call. Tap the option you prefer to connect with a real person. And that's it. Now you know how to talk to a live agent on the Expedia mobile app. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.